Sri Dhalada Malikwa, or the Temple of Sacred Truth. It's a Buddhist temple in the city of Kandy, Sri Lanka. It is located at the Royal Place complex, which houses the relic of the tooth of Buddha. Since ancient times, the relic has played an important role in local politics because it is believed that whoever holds the relic holds the governance of the country. Next is, this is one of the famous festivals in Sri Lanka. It is celebrated by Sinhalese. It's known as Ishala Perahera. It's a grand festival of Ishala. It is held in Sri Lanka only. It is very grand with elegant costumes. It usually takes place in July and the August month in the place called Gandhi. And it has become a unique symbol of, and this is also one of the biggest tea estate in Sri Lanka. These are few pictures of it. This is agricultural land in Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka mainly depends on rice production. Its main goal is to achieve an equitable and sustainable agricultural development through development and dissemination of improved agriculture technology. Agriculture made up 30.5% of employment in Sri Lanka. These are major export items in Sri Lanka: apparel and clothing accessories, tea, rubber and rubber products, coconut and coconut-based products, gem and jewellery, ornamental fish, ceramic ware, cut flour and foliage, leather products, electrical machinery and parts, fish and molasses, vegetable fats and oils, exhaust fats, oils, etc. This is the capital city of Sri Lanka, known as Colombo, and you can see the